Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you class 4th English grammar lesson 1 the sentence. See, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words. The group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. The sentence should be in proper order. See, whatever the group of words we are taking now, it should be properly arranged. If it is not arranged properly, then it will not be called a sentence. The next condition is the sentence always starts with a capital letter. Remember, it always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. So, we should remember these things if you want to know the sentence. Firstly, it should give a sense. It should be properly arranged. It should begin with a capital letter and it should end with a punctuation mark. For example, sky, the blue is. See, these are group of words. You can see there are group of words, but it is not properly arranged, so we cannot call it a sentence. It is wrong because it is not properly arranged and it does not give any sense. So firstly, we need to put it in a proper order. The sky is blue. See, all the conditions are applied here. It gives a sense. It starts with a capital letter. It ends with a punctuation mark. And it is properly arranged. So we can say it is a sentence. So always remember, a sentence should make a complete sense. It should be properly arranged. It should begin with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Now comes to the kinds of sentences. Dear students, we are having 4 kinds of sentences. How many? 4. First is declarative. We can call it as assertive also. Second is interrogative. Third, imperative. And last one is exclamatory. So, these are 4 kinds of sentences. Whatever we speak, whatever we say, everything will come in these category only. It may be declarative, it may be interrogative, it may be imperative, and it may be exclamatory. Okay, so we have 4 kinds of sentences. First, as I told you, declarative, we can call it as assertive also. Declarative sentences, it tells us about the information. It just gives an information. Just like statement, whatever we speak, whatever we have idea in our mind, we speak just like that without any thinking. For example, I am not well, I speak English. So these are the general statements which we speak. So it goes declarative or assertive, we can say. See, it ends with full stop and it tells information. Remember, first letter will be capital. But because it is a statement and declarative sentence, so we put full stop at the end. Now come to second, interrogative. See, interrogative sentences means inquiry. They ask questions. Because they ask questions and we have the inquiry, so we end it with a question mark. This is the sign of a question mark. So whenever we put interrogative sentences, we put question mark at the end. You can see first letter capital and at the end there will be a punctuation mark, that is question mark. Because interrogative questions ask questions. Okay. Now come to imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give commands, order, requests, suggestions like this. As your teacher gives you commands, as your parents ordered you, sometimes advise you, your friends advise you, request you. So all these kind of sentences will come in imperative sentences. For example, do not go there, do this work right now. Next comes exclamatory. Students, exclamatory sentences express emotions, sudden feelings. So it ends with the exclamation mark. This is the sign of an exclamation. For example, what a lovely weather, how pretty this girl is. It gives expression of sadness, joy, bravery, everything. This kind of sentences will come in exclamatory. So we have learned that a sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense. It has 4 kinds: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Declarative, tell information. Interrogative, ask questions. Imperative, give commands. Exclamatory, express emotions. Declarative ends with full stop. Interrogative ends with question mark. Imperative ends with full stop. And exclamatory ends with an exclamation mark. So dear students, now have a look of the chapter 1. You can see chapter 1 is here. There is a definition. You can see it is clear here. Then there are the kinds of sentences. First kind is it is assertive. Second is interrogative. Then third, exclamatory. Then imperative. Now we will have the exercise. You can see exercise is here. Exercise number A. As you can see in the exercise, I have solved some sentences. 4 sentences I have solved, and rest of the sentences you have to solve. You will get the answers but later. First is, she gave me a bunch of keys. See, you can see it is a statement. So when we are declaring something and some statement is there, we put assertive sentence. Then second is, the class is studying grammar. It is also assertive because it also a statement. He has lost all his wealth. It also assertive. Fourth one, have you bought any apples? You can see at the end there is a question mark, and question mark means inquiry. Inquiry means it is interrogative. And rest of the sentences you have to solve it. There are 10 sentences in this exercise. 2 are here. You can see. Now come to second exercise. See the following pictures. Write 4 kinds of sentences about each picture. Picture is tiger. Related to tiger, we have 4 kinds of sentences. You can see assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Second picture is lotus. We have 4 kinds of sentences here. I have written assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Third picture is rainbow. See, rainbow, you have to solve it. Okay, 4 kinds of sentences. You have to, related sentences you have to note down here. Then rearrange the group of words and write the kinds. You can see first is of care, health, take care. Take care of your health. Whenever we arrange it in properly, first letter will be capital, and at the end you have to put the punctuation mark. Okay, and after solving you have to write the kind also. It is imperative, so I have written imperative here. Next sentences, I haven't solved it. You have to solve it. You can see 6 sentences are there. You have to solve it. You have to put it in proper order, and then you have to write the kind. Then exercise number D, you can see here. Do not pluck the flower. Where is the squirrel? How dirty your room is. I do my homework after school. Which is your book? How did he come here? What nonsense. At the end, you need to put the punctuation mark, which I have put already. You can see first is full stop, then question mark, then exclamation mark, then full stop, then question mark, and then exclamation, because now you have to rate the kind of these sentences. First is do not pluck the flower. It is imperative. I have solved it. Next, you need to solve it. Okay. Come to next exercise. This is the last exercise of the chapter. Choose a word from the box. Fill in the blanks. Options are given in the box. You can see here, and 11 sentences are there. You need to read it out and fill the words in these sentences. Okay. So students, every exercise you need to note down in your notebook. Okay. That's for today. You will get the answers, but later on for cross checking. Thank you.